各位觀眾大家好。
My name is Pai Patel. I have been in a shipwreck. I am on a lifeboat alone with the tiger. Please send help.
歡迎大家收睇小紙皮少年派的奇幻漂流，由著名嘅導演李安所執導。
Hello! Anybody?
Mr. Patel's is an astounding story of courage and endurance, unparalleled in the history.
Let's see then, where to begin?
小紙覺得雖然佢嘅故事內容比較深奧，但係 3D 效果做出嚟嘅畫面絕對值得大家去欣賞。
I can tell you my story. You will decide for yourself what you believe.
小紙覺得呢出戲包含咗兩個故事。當你第一次睇嘅時候呢，你就睇出咗表面嘅故事；而第二次睇嘅時候呢，你就睇到另外一個故事。
Next part of the story you will find hard to believe.
而兩個故事就作出咗對人性有兩方面嘅評價，一方面就係善良，而另外一方面就係邪惡。小紙會俾呢部電影4分，因為除咗效果做得好之外呢，小紙絕對贊成作者對人性嘅評價。希望大家會鍾意呢套電影《少年派的奇幻漂流》。多謝。